Reclaim your identity as a strong person. That's right. See yourself as a strong person. Some people think of themselves as, oh, I don't know if I can handle it. How am I going to get through this? And they become a plum, poor little old me. No, that's not you. And if that has been you, learn from the experience and see yourself as you really are. You are created in the image and after the likeness of God, of universal consciousness. You are the light of God in expression. You're not what you've been in the past. You're not even what you think you are. You're not. We tend to express what we think we are. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he, says Proverbs. That's true. Emerson said, a man is what he thinks about all day long, and that's true of women also. Update the language. But beyond thinking is our true essence, who we really are as spiritual beings. Expressions of the universe. Reclaim who you are by affirming for yourself, I am strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. With God, all things are possible. For you. Key words are with God. And God is within you, expressing as you. I am strong in the Lord. The I am is the name of God, the identity of God in you. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.